I'm going to show you how to hook up a PlayStation to your laptop. First thing, you connect the HDMI like this. Once that connected, and make sure you connect the power. And the other end of the HDMI goes in the HD video capture card like this, and then you connect it to a laptop like this. On your laptop you have to go to OBS Studio. So this is the website. I have it downloaded. Go to OBS Studio. Then you click the plus button on the sources, and then video capture drive. Make sure your PlayStation is on. And the remote controller too. And then you click OK. Then you choose USB video. Click OK. If you want to adjust, you can adjust like this, and adjust it so it can fit on your screen. So this is how you hook up a PlayStation to your laptop. Like and subscribe to my channel if the video is helpful.